Now moving on to the last question of this section, number 27. So the math section has 27 questions each. So the function f is defined by f of x is equal to negative a raised to the power of x plus b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y is equal to f of x minus 15 has a y-intercept at 0, negative 99 by 7. The product of a and b is 65 by 7. What is the value of a? It is given that f of x is equal to what? Negative a raised to the power of x plus b. Now substituting this negative a raised to the power of x plus b for the f of x in the equation. Know that y is equal to f of x minus 15, and this we will substitute over here basically. So what we will have is y is equal to negative a raised to the power of x plus b minus 15. And what else is given? It is given that the y-intercept of the graph is 0, negative 99 by 7. So what we have to do, that means we have to substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 99 by 7. So in other words, for y I will substitute negative 99 by 7. This is equal to negative a raised to the power of 0 because x is 0 plus b minus 15. And anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So further simplification will yield negative 99 by 7 is equal to negative 1 plus b minus 15. So we have to just solve for b now. So here we will combine the negative 1 with the negative 15. In other words, you will have negative 99 by 7 is equal to b minus 16. So you will get b by adding 16 to both sides. So over here the 16s will cancel out, and then 16 minus 99 by 7 means you have to find the common denominator and simplify this. So b will be equal to, so 112 minus 99 divided by 7. 112 minus 99 is 13 over, so therefore b will be equal to 13 over 7. Now it's given that the product of a and b is, that is also provided to us. The product of a and b is 67. So now we just need the value of a. We just calculated b. So using that, so a times b is equal to, a times b is equal to 65 by 7. So a times 13 by 7 is equal to 65 by 7. So multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 13 by 7, which is 7 by 13. That way the 13 and the 7 will cancel out and you will be able to get the value of a, 65 by 13. So a will be nothing but 65 over 13, which is nothing but 5. So a is equal to 5. This is the answer. So this is not a multiple choice. So you have to grid in 5 into the grid. So what we have done in this case is there is a lot of information given. Negative a raised to the power of x plus b. A and b are constants. And then the graph of y is equal to f of x minus 15 has a y-intercept that is also provided to us, 0, negative 99 by 7. And then one more thing given to us is also the product of a and b, which is 65 by 7. So we just had to solve for a. First we substituted the f of x in the second equation. In the place of y is equal to f of x minus 15, we substituted f of x to be minus a raised to the power of x plus b. So once that was done, we substituted the y-intercept into that and used that to solve for b. Once we solved for b, that was a little bit of fractional simplification required. Then the last thing which was provided to us, a times b is equal to 65 by 7. Using that, since we already know b, we just solve for a. So all these steps are needed. So you can see that it's an easy problem only, but it has a lot of steps. So that's why the high difficulty problems, you have to save time from the easy difficulty problems and use it later. So this section is done. Next section we'll start with module 2.